Hi everyone! Today is the day we have another monitor review here. This time we will be checking out curved 27-inch 165Hz monitor from AOC gaming lineup that I still don't know how to pronounce, so AOC will work for today. So as I mentioned, it is 27 inches big, has a refresh rate of 165Hz, a 1 millisecond pixel response time, 2560 by 1440p resolution, G-SYNC, and it is also curved. A thing I only noticed when I unboxed it, so it was quite a surprise for me as well, as I had never seen a curved 16:9 monitor yet. Overall, this monitor ticks all the boxes for casual or competitive gamer. Unboxing and setup was pretty easy and fast. All the necessary cables are included. I will correct myself, all the possible cables are included, which is really nice because it has not been always like that for monitors. After setting everything up, I was quite surprised to see a gaming monitor that doesn't scream "gaming" all over the place. Nice and sleek design with few red accents. I like it. There are RGB lights on both the bottom of monitor and on the back. The circle on the back looks pretty damn nice, but it's sad to say that these lights are not really bright at all, especially on the bottom. You can kinda see them in complete darkness, but when there are other lights in the room, they kinda disappear. That's why you see this homemade RGB light on the desk to make this video more colorful. But nice try, AOC. Settings are controlled by a joystick. This time it's much more pleasant experience than I had with the ultra-wide AOC monitor some time ago. Settings have pretty interesting interface, and I'm not 100% sold on the 2-column main menu style, but everything is quite predictable and easy, and that is what is important. And the joystick offers 4 quick settings: changing input, different game modes, controls for RGB lights, and a crosshair. Yes, you heard me right. You can now have a scope on your AWP when you are not zoomed in. The biggest complaint with menus is the joystick itself. Maybe mine was a little worn out as it is a sample device, but it was pretty wobbly and the pushing button was really hard. And when I tried to push it in to confirm changes, I often pressed it to the sides, which screwed up my settings. And usage of the monitor overall was what you would expect from something like this. It was fast, had no artifacts and no issues whatsoever. And as it is curved, I would like to see a triple monitor setup from this. Gaming experience would be awesome. The biggest issue and the deal breaker for me is the coating of the screen. You can't see it much on camera, but the coating makes everything white look oily and dirty. Like, have you ever tried using matte screen protector for your phone? It looks just like that. You don't really notice that while gaming, but as I do much content creation, this wouldn't be my first choice of a monitor. But can I recommend it? Let me check the price for a second. $380. That's probably the price range where I would expect it. Curved 165Hz G-SYNC monitor for this price is not a bad deal. I can really recommend it for a gamer, but be sure to check it in person and see if the coating doesn't bother you. That will be it for today. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this, comment if you didn't, and see you soon. And a little hint, think big. Thank you for watching. Bye.